help us with our suitcases. Is that not what hotel do? They help people with their suitcases.
Yeah, they're supposed to, right? And they're gonna like expect tips. Oh, it's standard.
I was scared. I thought we were stuck. Okay. I was like, what's going on here? Please, the vacation just started.
This is for free.
For free. Yay.
5 seconds.
Wow.
Oh, right there.
Thank God that is not so far. I'm struggling.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go and just by ourselves first.
Yeah. I am ready. Let me clean my camera for this occasion. Yeah. Let's start.
The store is happy.
Oh. You have to place in the card somewhere here. Okay. Yay.
What are you?
This is our room. Oh yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Wow. Is it? So okay, see, people are paddling. We're gonna do that too. The view is incredible. Oh my god. Day, another vlog. How are you guys doing? How was your night? Because I just woke up not quite long. She's currently actually woke up around 6 or something. I've spoken with my family and friends, and it's currently 7:22 and we're about to start our day. Me and Soka, we're about to start our day. So what we planned out today was that we will be going for breakfast first. Soka said I'm still laughing at Soka. She said she wanted to go to the gym this morning to reduce her belly or to look fit in one day. I was confused. I was like, you want to go to the gym to reduce your body in one day? That's not gonna work. Like, you just give yourself body pain. So she didn't later go, so I just woke her up not by long. And so we're going for breakfast first, then after breakfast we'll go for shopping. She wants to get bikini, so we're going to the beach. So basically today is very, very sunny, so we decided to go to the beach today to get like good pictures, because I think tomorrow is raining, so we could do other activities then. We want to get good sunny beach pictures. So guys, look at my view, by the way. Oh my gosh, can you guys see that? Let me stand up. Wait. Oh nah, this is so nice. It's so nice. So let me update you guys and tell you how my day is going, because today we're gonna vlog. My sister still did this thing this morning. Clock it. So clock it. Period. Ooh, this view is insane. So pretty. I'm so grateful I'm here that I don't know, I'm just here. I could see this kind of view. I'm just so grateful. Yeah, see you when I grab you guys again. Love you. Okay. Hi my love. So we're going out for breakfast right now. We just ordered our ride, so I think the ride is almost here. We're leaving the hotel. We woke up very early so we could go have breakfast and eat something and take nice pictures. That is so nice. Let me show you guys. Our Uber is here. Is it this one? Let me check the plate number. What is it? Yeah. Hello. Pin code. Oh, this one. Catch you guys there when we get to Bistro Cafe, because that's where we're going to have breakfast. So go say hi. Show them your own. Yum. Cheers. Guys, we are done eating. Yeah, it looks like they really have like nice clothes. So guys, we're going to check mango. What is that? We didn't even want to wear that so wow. Mango is just, it's like for like corporate clothes. More of like corporate. Wow, it looks heavy.
Should I try it?
Yeah, if you like it. But it's really nice.
White or black? Maybe white.
White. You just want to try all of that. You can check out the stuff, so you just try everything at once. I brought stuff like this for dinner, so. Guys, we're at Zara right now. Guys, we're at Zara right now. So just trying to pick some stuff. She needs a jacket because it's very cold, but I brought mine, so I don't think I really need a jacket. This skirt is pretty. Ah, I like that one more.
This one?
Yeah. It depends if you like something that is really shiny, so. Show me the front. I like it. What do you think?
I also like it.
Yeah, very nice. It's actually very nice.
It's a little island, right?
It's a little island, yeah. It's definitely worth going.
Because we have 2 days to spend here.
Maybe you should go tomorrow.
I would like Friday supposedly is gonna be sunny. So if you guys want to do any like water activity, Friday's the day. So if you, I would do Icacos on Friday. So you can.
We're even leaving to Icacos on Friday.
I'm sorry.
We're leaving to Icacos on Friday.
Oh, you're doing it on Friday?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. On the catamaran, you just have to check which tour includes, because some of them include like they'll pick you up here in San Juan, drive you over there, drive you back. Some of them. But I know you have to take it. It's probably like I don't know, like $70 more or less to go.
Taking Uber and there's a ferry?
It's an hour away. No, because if you do Icacos, you do catamaran. It's
What
like
do
a
you
private,
call
or you can pay a like a private ferry, but it's $50. So 50 plus 70 Uber plus 70 back. I don't know. Just exactly. So make the sum of the money and then see which one's better for you guys.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
What did you call the tourism car again? You said car something?
What thing?
That take people for tourism to Icacos?
Catamaran.
Yeah.
Catamaran, yeah, that's on a boat. It's like a sailboat more or less, and they include drinks, food, and some like food, drink, snacks, snorkeling gear. It's like 4 hours.
If I want to do snorkeling, should I have to be able to swim or they will give me like life
They'll give you a
vest?
life, yeah, they'll give you some floating devices.
Do you know the spelling of the boat?
What do you want me to spell?
Yes, please.
Catamaran, no, you can ask.
Okay.
C-A-T-A
C-A-T-A.
A-M-A-R-A-N.
A-T-A.
Let me see. I think I spelled it too short.
I think my Google brought it for me, catamaran.
Okay. Yep, that's it.
Catamaran. Thank you. I think we're all set. Because we're a little bit confused watching TikToks and.
No, yeah, TikTok. It's a 50, and you can also do the rainforest. The rainforest is also very nice.
Yeah, we saw that too.
Yeah.
Look, there's a page called Voy Turisteando, and then I can spell it out for you.
Yes,
V-O-Y
E-O-Y.
T-U-R-I-S-T-E-A-N-D-O. And there they'll put like all the tours like that there are here in Puerto Rico. Rivers, rainforests, beaches, small little islands.
I think we could do that tomorrow with the Old San Juan.
We can make it.
let's rewind. Yesterday we went to the beach. When we got to the beach, we were taking pictures because we went to the beach to catch the sunset, or like the sunset was facing the other side, so I took my picture regardless. This is the song I was playing. Oh. But this was the song I wanted to play rather. I bought my clothes. I understand. Our order is ready. Oh, I have to come with the stuff. Thank you so much.
Sorry. Mercy is the only thing. Please. I don't know. I think. Okay, guys. So let's talk about one important thing. Feet. What you gotta wear on your feet. So hiking. For the part of the hike, you're gonna use your hiking shoes or water shoes. Okay, guys. Now, hiking shoes and water shoes is acceptable for a rainy day. It's acceptable for a dry day. It's just a shoe, a pair of shoes that I think works best. If you have sandals, you're good. For this tour today, because it's very dry, in Rainforest, we are in the dry season. But for any other time, guys, if you do plan to go in the future or in your own time, keep in mind your traffic weather because it's very, very important. When you go into the water, you're going to remove your water shoe. You're going to remove your shoe. If you are the booker, you know that they stress socks. Socks help you not worry about slipping. Slipping is very possible, especially walking up the slide. And the guide will tell you when you arrive, remove your shoes and remove your hiking shoes. Remove any pair of shoes that you have. I say it's better if you don't have socks. It is better to go barefoot because at least you will be able to assist the situation better. You'll be able to, okay, I gotta go slow here, I gotta go slow here. If you go with any type of rubbery bottom, you won't know and you will slip. And all of you will be like a domino effect, all just straight ahead. You're gonna go down a single high line up the water slide. And the same way that the water slide is made, you think like it's like a boogie board basically. You'll be able to slide down there really easily. So keep that in mind.
No one is slicker.
And it's like a yuca that has within is crab and then beef. If you have any questions too, she'll probably be able to tell you in Spanish or tequila. So when you bite in, what keep in mind?
This one is just crab. What is this? What is this?
It's like a cheese stick. Crab?
Yes. This one is the crab and beef.
This one's crab, this one's beef. They're separate.
And what is the difference between this one and this one?
For this one?
And that one.
Oh, this is a vegetable, so this is like a yuca. It's like a potato-y type wrap, and this is gonna be more like a corn flour. It's gonna be more like a taco, and this is gonna be like a vegetable.
One like this. Can I have the beef one? I'm good. Thank you. Two? Can I have the crab? Thank you. Guys, we're at the beach now. We just left the rainforest. I think I'm back in the sun. So we just left the rainforest and we're at the beach. It's quite sunny. That's why I have my hat on. And see Soka. I said take sleepers before we left the hotel. She didn't answer me. Stand on my feet. Okay. So the driver said, the tour guide said we should meet. Why do I keep backing the light? We should meet at the van by 6:10. What is the time right now, Soka? So this is 5:12. So we have like 40. We have like 15 minutes upward-ish. So yeah. I wanted to do jet ski, but like whatever. I didn't see the people that are renting it, so I'm just gonna be here, have my pineapple juice and stuff, then chill. Thank you. How much is it? Hi my lovelies, how are you? How are you guys doing today? How is your day going? Because I am great. I'm currently having fruits for breakfast. I showered. I left the hotel, by the way. I left the hotel yesterday. I'm currently at the villa resort. I can't remember the name. I have to check and tell you guys. But the view is insanely beautiful. Like it's so beautiful. I'm just here chilling, enjoying my time, having fruit. I went to grocery store yesterday to get fruit and noodles. I wanted to actually make noodles this morning, but I was just like, let me just have fruit then. I can eat noodles later. Because I don't know, I don't just feel like eating noodles. And I'm actually at a very beautiful villa with a very nice view and 3 annoying cats. They've been annoying me, like they just want to stay beside me. Like I've chased them. Like one is still right there. I'll show you guys when 3 of them are together. So that's what I'm currently doing now. I actually have 2 days to spend at the villa. I think I'll be heading to Miami tomorrow. I have a flight to catch. And I think I'll be ending the vlog tomorrow or today. I think I should be ending the vlog, this particular vlog, today or tomorrow. So when I get to Miami, to be like a very new vlog. Yeah, I'm doing about TikToks but what I want to do, because I have work to do on my system, then after work I think I'm going to create some content as well. Let you guys know that I really appreciate you guys for watching till this moment that I'm about to end the vlog, and I hope we stick together. Besties, we are besties, don't leave me alone. I don't even know if the vlog was boring, if you guys liked it, anything you want me to improve on, just put it on the comment, just type it on the comment below. I'll read it. I'm respectful about it. Anything you want me to do, just that I'm a beginner, I don't know much, I'm just trying, just put it on the comment section and I'll read them and I'll improve. Definitely, and we'll grow together. So you guys should not leave me alone, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I know you guys know where I'm going to, but whatever, just act like you don't know. So guess where I'm going to, and you'll see that on my next vlog. What happened? You'll see that on my next vlog. So act like you don't know and watch the next one when you're out. Period. Oh my god, my view is so nice. Am I the only one enjoying it? I will show you.
Anyways, ciao.